Here we have it. We love getting these C8s into our showroom floor. They're beginning to come in on a regular basis now. Beautiful cars. 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 Coupe we have for you right here. And yes, this is a pre-owned Corvette. It has a whole 120 miles on it. But you know you're going to get an exceptional savings on this car. The car is certified. And remember, you're going to see the video here. We have lots of beautiful pictures on our website at Buyavette.net. This is beautiful. Look at this torch red on the exterior. It has a beautiful combination color on the interior. This is called the natural interior. It's a tan. And under the hood, you'll find 495 horsepower of engine. This is an 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission with posi rear end, and the factory features include the 11,950 3LT preferred equipment group. This includes the GT2 seats, leather instrument panel and door panels, center console. It has color-keyed suede upper interior trim, heads-up display Bose 14-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo, with steering wheel controls, of course, and navigation. It has that performance data recorder, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats. You know, it has all of the options here. It also includes the $5,995 Z51 Performance Package. Of course, this, as you know, has multi-mode exhaust, electronic limited slip differential, performance axle ratio, higher front and rear spring rates, firmer shocks, adjustable threaded spring seats, and it has that unique splitter and rear spoiler. This is a great car. Of course, it is brand new. It has every option you can imagine, and of course it comes with a clean one-owner Carfax. And this 2021 Corvette Stingray Z51, as we mentioned, shows just 120 actual miles. It's in outstanding condition, of course, from the paint to the shine to everything. It is exactly what it should be, and these mid-engine Corvettes are setting a new direction in styling. This is a beautiful car. Give us a call today at Buyavette.net. You can find us on the web at Buyavette.net. You can give any of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Come and test drive this car. What a beauty.